So a judge out of Tennessee was apologizing after he was caught making a racist comment while overseeing a black defendant's hearing. Now, he should have been removed, but we'll finish this story. So say on Tuesday, Wilson County Judge Haywood Berry made a comment while discussing the scheduling for a black defendant's hearing with a lawyer, as according to the Tennessean newspaper. So his remarks were recorded by audio equipment in the courtroom. So they got him on tape.
Y'all get another judge, he can put a second shift on if y'all want to work second. I'm not working second shift. I'm gonna work like a regular white man, as they used to say. That's all I can do. I'm not gonna be a slave.
I understand, Your Honor.
Don't allow that anymore.
He's got $1 million.
Don't allow that anymore.
But, Your Honor.
So I guess a regular white man is just working 9 to 5 or something like that. You can't work no overtime. Now it goes back to how black folks would always do all the hard work and the extra work. And then when they get in situations where they have to compete with you, the employers like said, man, the black employees, man, they'll come in and work all this overtime. And the regular white man don't want to work this, and they get mad that they lose out on jobs and want to riot on everything back in history. OK, so he said he apologized for his remarks on that Thursday and admitted it was probably a very inappropriate statement. Probably. You have a black defendant. Now, if I was the attorney, I'll say, oh, no. I said, we have to get another judge on this case. We cannot have this guy. He has racial bias. It's not going to be fair to my client. And that what the lawyer should have done. So he said he was sorry he made it. He said, I'm ashamed of the fact that something like that would even come out of my brain. Oh, come on, dude. I mean, come on. You know, you've been saying that mess and a whole lot worse forever. So they say defense attorney Jeff Cherry insisted the comment was not indicative of who he is. Black folk, if you got a lawyer that said that, your defense attorney, you say, oh, no, you fired. I say, because you defending him after he's saying that crap, y'all better make sure to get you a lawyer that will stand up for you and understand the plight of black folk. You better understand that. I said, because that kind of lawyer gonna have you doing 20 years. He said, the defense attorney Cherry is based in a Nashville suburb of Lebanon, Tennessee, where Barry served 2 terms as a city councilman. Now listen to that. He said, I've seen him stand up for what is right constitutionally over and over again without regard to race, religion, or socioeconomic status. He said, I've seen him make decisions based on applying all his years of experience to the facts and Constitution. The black person's defense attorney is defending the judge after he made that comment. Oh my God. Like, seriously? Like, and if you let that person stay defending you, I'm like, man, you got to go. I say, Your Honor, I got to fire him or somebody. I can't have him. No, we need to reschedule so I can get another attorney. I can't have him because he is biased toward the judge in a whole lot of ways, and I can't deal with that. So he said that the judge himself has sat on the Wilson County bench since 2014 before he had joined Lebanon City Council in 2004. He said he worked as a general sessions judge from 74 to 1998. His current term ends in 2022, and he would not seek re-election, according to what is being reported. So it said the Tennessee Board of Judicial Conduct bars judges from engaging in harassment, including but limited to bias, prejudice, or harassment based on race. Examples of harassment include attempted humor based on stereotypes. Somebody's investigation of the comments has not been announced. Well, why would it be announced when the defense attorney is defending him? Why would they announce that? That wouldn't make sense. Usually a defense attorney would be reporting the judge and wanting the judge changed and making a fit about this. But when your defense attorney for the black person is defending the judge, says a lot. Make sure anytime you get in any kind of deal, whether it's civil, criminal, whatever, get you a lawyer that understands our plight as black people. Please get one. And get one that's not going to take no mess from no judge or allow a comment like that and not report that judge or want to change with judges, because that judge needs to go. Man, I wonder what that black defendant is going to get with this particular judge. Well, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this particular story out of Tennessee. There's a lot of white supremacists on the judicial bench. I've said that they're everywhere, everywhere. They're on the judge's seat, they're the prosecutor, they're the police. I'm telling you, this whole system is rigged against black folk. That's why when I went the first time to the continent of Africa, I went to Ethiopia and I saw how this system wasn't rigged against us. Man, we already winning the moment we step foot over there. That's why sometimes I shake my head and say, what are black folks in America defending? I said, it'd be like playing a football game or a basketball game and everything's rigged. All the calls are against you, but don't go against the other team. Any little thing you do, you clamp down on. But yeah, you're defending playing a game that is rigged against you and then wonder why the other team always winning. I never can understand the mentality of some of us defending a system that's completely rigged against us.